Namaste everyone. On this 12th International Day of Yoga, let's come together and experience the yoga with awareness and positivity. Sit comfortably on your mat. Keep your back straight. Now join your hands in Namaste and gently close your eyes as we begin with the yoga prayer.
संरक्षध्वं संवदध्वं वो मनांसि जानता देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते.
Slowly open your eyes, release your hands, and all the way come up and stand on your mat. First, we will start with Sukshma Vyayams. We will starting with neck movements. For this, keep your feet apart. Place your hands on your waist. Now, while exhaling, take your chin towards your chest. Inhale, lift your head up. Look at the ceiling. Exhale, drop your chin down towards your chest. Inhale, head up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, head up. And come back in the center. Now exhale and drop your right ear towards the right shoulder. Center. Now drop your left ear towards the left shoulder. Center. Two more times. Drop the right ear towards the right shoulder. Center, left ear towards the left shoulder. Center, one more time. Center and drop your left ear now. Come back to the center. Now while exhaling, twist your neck towards the right side and look over the right shoulder. Come back to the center. Now twist your neck towards the left side. Center. Repeat two more times. Take your neck towards the right side. Center towards the left side. Inhale and center. Exhale and twist. Center. Exhale and twist to the left side. Come back to the center. And now ready for neck rotations. Those who are having severe neck pain or cervical spondylosis, do it with precautions. While exhaling, first take your chin towards your chest. Now start rotating your neck from the right side. Slowly take it back and bring it from the left side. Do one more round. Slowly move it from the right side to left side. Now we will do in anti-clockwise direction. Start from the left side. One more round. and slowly come back in the center. Release your hands and relax. Now next one is shoulder movements. For this, take your hands by your sides, feet 1 foot apart. While inhaling, raise your palms up, slightly stretch them up, hold for few seconds, and while exhaling, bring your hands down. One more time, repeat it. Inhale and raise your hands sideways, palms facing outside. Hold for few seconds, and while exhaling, take your hands down. Relax. One more time. Take your hands by your sides. While inhaling, raise your arms sideways. Now turn your palms upwards. Bend your elbows and place your fingertips on your shoulders. Join your elbows and make 3 circles in clockwise direction. Now change the direction and do 3 circles in anti-clockwise direction. And relax. Release your hands and relax. Now next one is trunk movement. For this, slightly increase the distance between your legs. While inhaling, raise your arms sideways at the shoulder level, palms facing down. While exhaling, twist towards the right side so your left hand will come close to your right shoulder. Change, come back in the center and twist towards the left side. Center. 2 more times, repeat it. Go towards the right side. Center towards the left side. Coming back in the center and twisting towards the right side. Center and left side. Slowly come back in the center and take your hands down and relax. Now our next movement is knee movements. For this, keep your legs at hip width apart. Now while inhaling, raise your arms at shoulder level. While exhaling, start taking your hips down so your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold for few seconds. And while inhaling, come up. 2 more times. We will do this again. Exhale. Take your hips down. Hold for few seconds. And slowly come up. One more time. Go down. And slowly come up. Release your hands down and relax. Our next asana is Tadasana. For this, take 1 foot distance between your feet, hands by your sides. While inhaling, raise your hands up, interlock your fingers, reverse the palms. Now raise your heels also. Now pull your hands up. Try to balance here. We will hold here for few seconds. Keep pulling your hands up. And slowly bring your hands and heels down. Relax. Now our next pose is Padhastasana. For this, keep the feet hip width apart. Now while inhaling, raise your hands up. While exhaling, start bending from your back. all the way go down. Bring your hands next to your feet. Look between your knees. Stay here for few seconds. Inhale and slowly come up and take your hands down. Relax. Now our next asana is Ardha Chakrasana. For this, feet are 1 foot apart. Place your hands on your waist. Now bring your elbows closer to each other. While inhaling, start bending back and push your hips forward. If you can hang your neck, hang it and hold here for few seconds. While exhaling, slowly come back and release your hands. Now for the next pose, Trikonasana, we have to spread our legs slightly more. Now rotate your right foot at 90 degree. Take your hands at shoulder level. Now slightly pull yourself towards the right side and bend down. So your right hand will come at the outside of your right foot and look at your left hand. Hold here for few seconds. And slowly take your hands up. Rotate your right foot in. Now rotate your left foot at 90 degree and slightly pull towards your left side and start bending sideways and place your left hand outside your left foot and turn your face towards your right hand. Stay here for few seconds. And relax. While inhaling, come up, take your left foot in and release your hands down and bring your legs together. For the next set of asanas, we have to sit on the floor. So come on your mat. Stretch out your legs in front of you. Slightly place your hands behind your back. Lean behind. Separate your legs slightly and relax. And change. Now join your heels and toes together. Hands next to your hips. Keep your back straight and sit in Dandasana. Relax. Now for our next pose, we have to join the soles of our feet and bring them closer to our pelvic area. Hold your feet with your both hands and press your knees down. Feel the opening in your pelvic area and stay here for few seconds. And relax. One more time. Stretch out your legs in front of you and sit in Dandasana. Now our next asana is Vajrasana. Bend your right knee and take your right heel under your right hip. Same way, bend your left knee and take your left heel under your buttocks. You have to sit in between your heels. Place your hands on your thighs. Slowly close your eyes and take normal breaths. Relax. Again, Stretch out your legs in Dandasana. Take some normal breaths. And ready for Ardha Uttranasana. For this, one more time, come in Vajrasana. Now, stand on your knees. Keep some gap between your knees. Now, place your hands like this on your lower back. Bring your elbows closer to you. While inhaling, start pushing your hips forward and bend behind and look up towards the ceiling. Hold here for few seconds. Relax. Come back in the center. Go back and sit in Vajrasana. Stretch out your legs in Dandasana. One more time. Come in Vajrasana. Bend your right knee. Then your left knee. Now for our next pose, Uttranasana, we have to stand on our knees again. Separate the knees hip width apart. Now place your right hand on your right heel and place your left hand on the left heel. Push your hips forward, and if you can hang your head, hang it and hold here for few seconds. Release. Take your left hand forward and then your right hand. Sit in Vajrasana and stretch out your legs in Dandasana. One more time. Come in Vajrasana. Now our next asana is Shashankasana. For this, open your knees at the edges of your mat. Place your hands in front of you. Now start sliding your hands in front. Make sure your hips are not lifting up. Keep taking your hands forward. Now place your forehead on your mat and stay here for few seconds. Release. Slowly come back with your hands and stretch out your legs in front of you and just relax yourself. Place your hands behind you, slightly looking up, and relax. And ready for our next asana, Uttan Mandukasana. For this, one more time, come in Vajrasana. One more time, separate your knees while inhaling. Raise your right arm up, bend it from the elbow and place your right hand on your left shoulder blade. Now inhale and raise your left hand and place it on the right shoulder blade. Your elbows are closer to your ears and stay here for few seconds. And relax. Take your hands slowly down and one more time stretch out your legs in front of you. Sit in Dandasana. And ready for our next asana, Vakrasana. While inhaling, start bending your right foot and place it next to your left knee. Now place your right hand behind your back. Now hook your left elbow outside your right knee and turn your face towards the right side, looking over the right shoulder. Hold here for few seconds. Release. Release your left hand first, then straighten your right leg and take your right hand back. Same we will repeat from the left side, bending the left knee, placing it next to the right knee. Take your left hand slightly behind your back. Now hook your right elbow outside your left knee and look over your left shoulder. Release. Relax your right hand. Straighten your left leg and take your left hand forward. Sit in Dandasana. And now for our next set of asanas, we have to lie down on our stomach. First, bring your left hand in front of your mat, then place your right hand on top of it and place your forehead on your hands. Now, spread your legs at the edges of your mat so your toes are outside and heels are inside, and relax in Makrasana. Change. Our next asana is Bhujangasana. For this, join your heels and toes together. Bring your hands beside your chest. Now, while inhaling, start lifting your chest and hand up to the navel and hold here for few seconds. And slowly go down and relax in Makrasana. And change. Now for our next asana, Shalabhasana, join your heels and toes one more time. Place your palms under your thighs, palms facing upwards. Place your chin on your mat. Now while inhaling, raise your both legs up and hold for few seconds. Relax, take your hands down and come in Makrasana. Change. Now for the next set of asanas, we have to lie down on our back. Our next asana is Setu Bandhasana. While inhaling, bend your knees, touch your heels with your fingertips. Your knees are hip width apart. Now, while inhaling, start raising your hips up and hold here for few seconds. Your chest is coming closer to your chin. Release, slowly coming down and straighten your leg and relax. Now our next pose is Uttan Padasana. For this, bring your hands by your sides of your hips, join your heels and toes together. While inhaling, raise your both legs together up to 45 and hold here for few seconds. Relax. Take your legs down and relax. Now ready for our next pose, Ardhalasana. One more time. Bring your legs together, hands by the sides of your thighs. While inhaling, raise your both legs up to the 90. Bring your toes slightly down and hold here. Keep breathing. And while exhaling, slowly drop your legs down and relax. Now our next pose is Pawan Muktasana. Join your legs, start bending your knees, bring your knees towards your chest, hug your knees, bring them closer to your chest. If you are not having severe neck pain or cervical spondylosis, then raise your head up and try to touch your chin to your knees. Hold here for few seconds. And release. Slowly take your head down, release your hands and straighten your legs and relax in Shavasana. Now spread your legs slightly at the edges of your mat. Your toes are towards the floor. Palms are facing the ceiling. Gently close your eyes. Relax your complete body. Now gently move your fingers and toes. Inhale and raise your right arm up. Join your legs, bend your knees and turn to your right side. With the support of your hands, slowly come up and sit in any comfortable position. We will do pranayams. Our first pranayam is Kapalbhati. For this, sit in a comfortable position, keep your back straight, bring your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra, palms facing upwards. Now, inhale from your nose, exhale forcefully and start taking your navel towards your spine. We have to do 20 to 30 strokes. If you wish, you can close your eyes. Start. Once you have done, take some normal breaths and gently open your eyes. The next pranayam is Nadi Shodhan pranayam. For this, keep your hands in Gyan Mudra on your knees. Lift your right hand and make it in Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale from your left nostril. Close both nostrils. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close both nostrils. Exhale from left. Close both nostrils. Inhale from right. Close both nostrils. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Close both nostrils. Exhale from right. Close both nostrils. Inhale from left. Close both nostrils. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close both nostrils. Exhale from left. Close both nostrils. Inhale from right. Close both nostrils. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Close both nostrils. Exhale from right. Close both nostrils and relax. Slowly take your right hand down and slowly open your eyes. Now, our next pranayama is Shitli pranayama. For this, we have to take our tongue out, roll the corners of your tongue, inhale from the rolled tongue, then close your mouth and exhale from your nose. Start. We have to do 3 rounds of it. Take your tongue out, close your mouth and exhale from your nose. Again. One last round. And relax. Now our last pranayama is Bhramari pranayama. We have to do 3 rounds of it. Make Sanmukhi mudra. Inhale from your nose while exhaling. Make a long humming sound. Start. Slowly take your hands down and observe the vibrations in your head. Now we will close the practice with a prayer.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Rub your palms and cup your eyes. Take your hands down and gently open your eyes. And now our session is over. Thank you for joining it. Namaste.